Teachers, have you ever seen that kind of text before? So, what the text is called? And then, where do we usually find that text? Next question. What is the purpose of the text? And can you understand the information contained in the text? Okay, the text is called recipe. It is a part of procedure text. And then we usually find it maybe in recipe books, magazine, some websites, and also the magazine or some books. And then what is the purpose of the text? It is to describe how something is made. It's not a series of ingredients and a set of instructions that tell how to make something. Procedure text in the form of recipe is a text that tells the readers how to make something, how to make food and drink. The function of the text is to describe how something made in a sequence step. And the structure of the text, or usually call it the generic structure of recipe, consists of three structures. The first one is goal. Goal is the purpose of the text. And the second one is ingredients. Ingredients describe the elements we need to make something. And the last one is steps or methods. It describes the set of instructions to reach the goal. Example, we want to make coffee. So the goal of the text is how to make coffee. And the ingredients we need: coffee, water, and the two maybe spoons, and a cup. And the step is the sequence instruction from the early step. For example, boil some water and pour it into the coffee. Another important thing in procedure text is language features. Language features is features that support the text. It can be a sentence, for example, a procedure text using simple present tense, and then it also using imperative sentence or command, action verb, conjunction to link a process to another process,